Welcome to my review of Botee Trade, a trading bot designed to help automate your trading process and enhance your trading strategies. In this video, we'll go over its key features, ease of use, and performance in real trading environments. First, let's take a look at the homepage. As you can see, the design is clean and user-friendly, with easy navigation for both beginners and seasoned traders. Right away, it's clear that the bot aims to make crypto trading more accessible and efficient. After signing up, you'll be greeted by a dashboard that gives you a clear overview of your account, trading settings, and recent market activity. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to adjust your trading preferences without much hassle. You can connect your preferred exchange, like Binance or Coinbase, and set up your trading pairs for automated trading. Moving on to its features, Botee Trade offers customizable strategies, including risk management settings, which are vital for protecting your capital. You can select from various preset strategies or design your own, depending on your risk tolerance and trading goals. This makes the bot flexible enough to suit different trading styles. The performance of Botee Trade, based on user feedback, shows it is capable of executing trades quickly and efficiently, which is a crucial factor for anyone in the fast-paced world of crypto trading. Whether you're focusing on short-term gains or long-term investments, the bot adapts to different market conditions. Many useful links can be found in the description. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that Botee Trade has a lot to offer for traders looking for automation in their crypto trading. However, it's important to test the bot with a demo account first and adjust your settings to match your personal trading style. Remember that all trading involves risk, and using automated tools doesn't eliminate that. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of trading tools and platforms. Thanks for watching.